What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. This is a pair of Nike Air Jordan 17s that came out very recently. It's quite a nice shoe if you ask me. So for retail, these were about $300 US. I think they're going for over 500 in the resale marketplace. So if you're able to get a pair of these, you would have made a pretty penny. And what's special about these is they come with a little metal briefcase. It's very unusual for Jordan to change up the packaging these days on SKUs, but here we have a special case. We're gonna see if I can open this without too much difficulty. Got a little flap here. Packaging is pretty crazy if you ask me. This thing opens downwards. This is covered in bubble wrap. Pretty intense. Pretty intense. Get rid of that for now. We're gonna have to open this up here. Try and do as efficiently as possible. There's some tape here. Voila, here it is. You can see like it's kind of plasticky. It might be metal. It's kind of hard to tell, but here it is. We're gonna open it up. It comes with a little handle. There's a lot of protection on this. I imagine it's made with cheap materials. They don't want it to get scratched up in packaging or in shipping, so we'll try and be a little careful with it. That's one. That's two. This is the first time I'm unboxing these two, so we're gonna do it together. Oh wow. These are called the All-Star Lightnings, by the way. Here they are. So there's a little piece of plastic around here, that's why it's blue, otherwise it's supposed to be silver inside. I'm gonna have to tone down the brightness a little bit so you get a better look at the shoe. I'm not going to throw these on. I'm sure somebody else has. I just want to do a quick little unboxing for you. If you want a pair for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. It's probably one of the easiest places where you can buy a shoe like this. It looks like it would be pretty comfortable. It's got a nice little internal sock. They have this little material here at the bottom of the box too. All in all, I gotta say these are beautiful. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I love when Jordan brand or any brand changes up their packaging and makes the unboxing experience really special. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description if you want a pair of these for yourself. Goodbye.